You're interested in filing for bankruptcy, or you've already filed and are concerned whether you are going to be able to rebuild your credit score after your discharge. Now, after you're being discharged from bankruptcy, the goal is to leave you with a fresh start and no longer be weighed down by the burden of your debt. So now you may be wondering, what is credit cards that are easy to get after filing bankruptcy? Let's get started. Welcome to the YouTube channel, where we've built bankruptcy calculators to help you understand that option and how to get out of debt cheaper, easier, and faster. My name is Ben, I'm the CEO. Now, is it possible to get a credit card after bankruptcy? The answer is often yes. But do you want a credit card? And that is a question for you to decide. This video, for not just for informational purposes only, not legal advice. Here are 2 credit cards that may be easy to qualify for you after you've been discharged for bankruptcy and provide credit competitive offerings that can help you rebuild your credit. Now, one of my good friends recently filed bankruptcy, and he mentioned the following 2 credit cards were really helpful for him to rebuild his credit once he was discharged. The first option is the Discover's secured credit card. Secured means that there is a refundable deposit required and your credit line will be equal to that deposited amount. Your secured card can be considered to be unsecured when you hit a certain mark generally. This card may not have a welcome bonus or cashback offerings and generally will have an annual fee. Now, the second option is the Capital One secured credit card. Compared to Discover, this card does not have as many potential options with that cashback or rewards, but it's dependable and can help you with building your credit worthiness. Now, the credit limit for my friend began at $200, and after 5 months, I believe he was able to move to an unsecured credit card to then rebuild his credit and also get that refundable deposit back minus any fees that he had to do. Now, my goal here is not to promote you in a specific card option. I just want to show you that you could still potentially get a credit card and rebuild your credit soon after filing bankruptcy. If you want to explore bankruptcy relief options, please check the link in my bio. You can always call or text me here at 650-334-0345 if you want to discuss with an analyst about any options regarding your credit rebuilding journey. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great day.